All right, so here we go. This is 2011 Absolute Dual Box Break number 5. Just some fun late night quickie action. All things that you, just a general blanket statement, don't Google anything. Seriously. And so here's that. We got Panda Gator, Rocker Roller, DJ, Average Joe getting into it, Superfly, Jimmy Snookum. You got Dan Sox, B. Cedro swinging in late night. I like it. Big Dog 808. Man, we just had a rockin' box out of Contenders 2015. All in Poker God's back. Here he is. What up, player? Kev, obviously not on. Like, you need to use a TI-83, Kev. Don't be shy. Use a TI-83, bud, if you got to do some quick math. The funny thing is, I do have a timeline mixer, and it's all Contenders 2011 to 2010 to 2015 Contenders. Just saying. Jaquiz Rogers. And that's 202 out of 299. Going to Hot Atlanta. Jaquiz. Mohammed Wilkerson to the Jets. 12 out of 25. So the count right now is at 995. Count right now. Jordan Todman, we've seen you one too many times. Going to San Diego, that'll be Superfly 15. 102 out of 299. Then you got Delone Carter, and that will be 2 out of 50. Going to Indy. I mean, it would be a super crazy expensive. Actually, dude, Nomni Asamoah, not a bad hit. He doesn't sign a lot of stuff. This is going to Oaktown, going to funk you up. Look at DJ Bright. So really nice. This probably is short. Okay. So just 1 out of 5. No, this is... No. Kev, just... So Nomni, 1 out of 5. Ronald Johnson, Rojo, going to San Fran. 165 out of 399. So DJ Bright hitting at the 26th draft pick with Oaktown. That's a nice little hit. Not going to play around. This is just your guys' first box here. And then a jumbo patch of Torrey Smith. Huge patch. And that's going to be 4 out of 15. So all short print stuff out of this tonight. Who's got Baltimore? That's going to be B. Cedro. Orlando Franklin, 83 out of 99. B. Cedro has a monster mail day coming to him. Hit about everything under the sun last week, so that should be good for you there, bud. All right, 4 more boxes here. Absolute. We got Contenders coming up directly after this. We're going to finish off that case, see what's going up in it. Here's Raheem Moore going to Denver. And that'll be 171 out of 299. So Raheem Moore. Average Joe. There you go, buddy. Then you got Clay Matthews whipping that hair back and forth. 52 out of 100, which is his jersey number. Uh-huh. And then you got Ryan Williams. Some nice patches in there going to Arizona. That'll be Arizona Nate. Very fitting. 6 out of 50 there for you, bub. And then DeMarcus Van Dyke. 292 out of 399. Back to Oaktown. And DJ Bright. Just let it rock. read number Shoney. So, let's see who this is. So, a Rookie Premier Materials NFL Signatures card number 234. So, material 234. That's going to be actually not bad. Randall Cobb going to Dan Sox with GB. There you go, bud. I'll take a Randall Cobb. Do it. Here's Aldrick Robinson, and that's 135 out of 399 going to Washington. And final mini box here. Got Anthony Allen. And that's going back to Baltimore, too. 127 out of 299. I didn't realize how much Baltimore action goes on in this stuff. There's Jaquan Jarrett. And that's 44 out of 50. Going to Philadelphia. So not bad with the Randall Cobb and the nice Namni Asamoah. Running around in there. Weird vet autos. And I like them.